A lot of people use bee brushes. I have to say, up until recently, I haven't been too keen with them, because what happens is, and I'll show you in a little demonstration here, what happens is usually people just take the brush and brush off like that, and you see what happens. It just sort of rolls the bees, and they get wound up. But even after 60 some odd years of keeping bees, I've just been shown a little technique that seems to work very well. You don't roll, you just flick the bees off like that, and it's an awful lot easier. It doesn't wind the bees up, and solves a lot of the issues that you do get with just rolling them. So just flicking like that. You can also do that with a goose wing. So it's just a little tip to help beekeepers.